Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to the comprehensive guide on repairing your Thermomix TM31. This video will cover everything you need to know, from the tools required to the step-by-step repair process. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment for cleaning. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling to a repair shop. Now, let's start by removing the base of the Thermomix. Use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws located at the bottom. Be careful not to strip the screws, as this can make them difficult to remove later. Once you've removed all screws, gently lift the base off. It's essential to keep track of the screws, so consider using a small container to hold them. Next, we'll examine the internal components. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting the performance of your Thermomix. Using a soft cloth, wipe down the inner surfaces. For a more thorough cleaning, use the vacuum cleaner with the brush attachment to remove any loose particles. Make sure to pay attention to areas where food can easily get trapped. If your appliance is still not functioning correctly, a professional diagnosis without obligation might be the best option to identify the underlying issues. Now, let's check the motor and wiring. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If the wiring appears frayed, it's crucial to replace it before reassembling the device. This step ensures your safety and the longevity of your Thermomix. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, remember we can provide a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind. Once everything is clean and checked, it's time to reassemble the Thermomix. Start by placing the base back onto the main unit, aligning it carefully. Replace all screws, ensuring they are tight but not over-tightened, as this can damage the plastic casing. After securing the base, give the device a gentle shake to ensure everything is in place. Before you test your Thermomix, double-check that all components are assembled correctly. Any loose parts can lead to malfunction. If you find yourself unsure at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Our service includes no calls, no travel, we handle everything seamlessly. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test its functions. Start with a simple blending task to ensure everything operates smoothly. If you hear any unusual noises or if it doesn't function as expected, it might be time to seek further assistance. Remember, we are here to help with a professional diagnosis and convenient repair services. Thank you for following this tutorial. Happy cooking with your newly repaired Thermomix TM31. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.